Everybody open your cameras. Yes, Alankrita, I want to know that beta you gave your SST exam. Yes or no? You gave your SST exam? Because I have not received your PDF. Alankrita beta, say yes or no. I can't hear you. I can't even see your face. Show your full face. Can you hear me? Nod your head if you can hear me. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, yesterday we were, Alankrita is not replying. Yesterday we did the key points of chapter number 6. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is wrong with this class? Why has this class become
Yes, ma'am.
so dull, no response, nothing? Class 4A students, what is wrong with you? Arsalan, show your face. I don't want to see your hair in the class. All I can see is your head. That's it. Praveer, open your camera. Yuvraj, open your camera. And everybody be attentive. And when I ask any question, you have to answer me. Don't sit quiet. Don't sit like dumb students. Have you all completed key points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share screen with you. We will start doing question answers today. Yes, Praveer, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Open your copies. Write down these exercises. First, we will start with exercise A, fill in the blanks. No, yes, ma'am. No, no, ma'am. My God. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
No,
Take out your social studies copies and start doing this work. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, we have to do this work in a copy.
Yes, beta, you have to do this work in your
Yeah, ma'am.
copy.
bring me another device because mine this device battery is low.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, but we have not done the reading.
Is anybody asking me anything?
Ma'am, but we have not done the reading.
Oh, we've not done the reading. Okay, first do these two exercises, then we'll do the reading beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I've done. Now I'm doing verification of fill in the blank.
Very nice. Now after fill in the blanks, beta, you can do this also. Name the following.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm doing everything with the group.
What?
Ma'am, I'm done fill in the blanks. I'm
Very nice. Very good. Beta, do it and then we will do the chapter reading today. Done, beta?
No, ma'am, I am on filling the blank third portion. No, I am also. Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. Akshat, you have also done?
Ma'am, I am on last one. Ma'am, I am fill in the blank fourth question.
Ma'am,
How many are still
Ma'am?
doing? Yes. How many are still doing? I just want to know this.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right. Good. Hurry up and finish.
No, ma'am, only school left of the name the following. Ma'am, I have done.
Everyone has done.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have done beautification. Ma'am, I have done beautification.
Ma'am, I also done the beautification of all the work.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Now, shall we
I have
start?
also done the beauty.
Very good. Now that's like a good class.
Ma'am, can I also?
No, don't send it on WhatsApp. Now be ready with your books. Open your books.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me open my PDF. Yes, who will start reading?
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, Akshaj. Let's begin with Akshaj. And everyone has to read very nicely, very loudly and clearly. I'm removing
Okay,
this
ma'am.
screen, children. I want to see all of you. Open your cameras and be attentive. I can call out anyone's name to start.
major landform of the earth. The earth, as you know, is made up of land and water. Almost 2/3 of the surface
Akshat.
is covered with water. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, chapter
Okay, ma'am.
6.
The major landform of the earth. Let's learn about the continent, different landforms, mountain, plateaus, plains, and deserts. The earth, as you know, is made up of land and water. Almost 2/3 of the surface is covered with water, while 1/3 is land. The different landforms found on the earth are mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, and deserts. Continents. The land of the earth is divided into 7 large masses called continents. They are
Masses.
Asia.
It is called masses, beta. Masses.
Masses called continents. They are Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Facts about continents.
That's all, beta. That's all. That's all. Now who will read? Okay. Riddhi will read today.
Facts about continents.
All of you mute, beta. All of you mute. We have 15 minutes with us. All of you will read. Don't worry.
Facts about continents. The largest continent in the world. Australia is the world's smallest continent.
Okay, Riddhi. Riddhi, beta, wait for a minute. Wait. Arsalan, what are you saying? Arsalan, are you saying something?
Ma'am, can I read after?
Okay, you're saying this only. Please, nobody will say this. I will make each one of you read. Don't worry. Riddhi, continue.
Antarctica is a continent which is mostly
Antarctica. It is called Antarctica.
Asia is the popular continent, while Antarctica in the least populous continent. Australia is known as an island continent. It is surrounded by water on all sides. Ocean and
That's all.
sea.
That's all. That's all, beta. Praveer Singh, start reading. Praveer, can you hear me?
Can I read the
Praveer Singh, can you hear me? Praveer is not reacting. Okay, Arsalan, beta, you start.
Can I read?
Yes, Arsalan, read.
Ocean and some continents are water bodies. Very water bodies are called oceans. The ocean are ocean in the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Earth Ocean. And the Southern Ocean or the Atlantic Ocean, the smaller water bodies are called seas. Some important seas are Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea, the South China Sea and the Arabian Sea landform.
Okay,
The
that's all. That's all. Aradhya, start reading.
Landforms. The earth has an uneven surface. In some places it is high, while in some places it is low. Let us look at some of the physical features that make up the earth. They are known as landforms. Mountains and hills. Mountains are the highest landforms on the earth. The tip of the mountain is known as the peak or summit. Most mountains have steep sides or slopes with pointed peaks. But some mountains are rounded too. Some mountains are covered with snow throughout. Wikipedia. The Himalayan mountain range is the highest mountain range in the world. Mountain Everest in Nepal is the highest peak in the world. The year a mountain range is a group of or a chain of mountains that are close to each other. Mountains often have a narrow gap between them known as a mountain pass. The mountain passes help people and animals to move across the mountains. Hills are also highland forms, but they are not as high as mountains. They are covered with grass and have a pleasant climate, so they make great tourist spots, especially in summer months. A number of hills join together from a range of hills.
Okay, very nice. Next, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, are you there? Yuvraj has left. Okay, Alankrita Yadav. Start reading, beta. Alankrita. Alankrita, if you are saying something, type in the chat box because I'm not being able to hear you. If you are trying to say something, write it in the chat box. Convey your message. Okay, Ansh Patel is there. Ansh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh Patel, can you hear me? Nothing. So in all, I have how many students in the class? Okay, Alankrita is asking, ma'am, from which line? Beta, I think your mic is not working. Your mic is not working, so there is no point telling you from which line. Akshaj, Arsalan, Riddhi, Aradhya, and Alark Pratap are only attentive today in class. Alankrita's mic is not working. So let's repeat, students. Akshaj, again it's your turn.
Valleys. A valley is a low area between two mountain or hills. The Kashmir Valley is famous for its scenic beauty and attracts many tourists. Sometimes a river may flow through a valley. Plateaus. A plateau is a highland which is flat on the top. It is also called a tableland because it is raised on the flat like a table. The Tibetan Plateaus is the highest plateau in the world. The Deccan Plateau is located in the southern part of India.
Okay, that's all. Riddhi Agarwal, again your turn, beta. Second round started, again your turn.
Plains. Plains are larger Econian for flatland plains are formed when hills and mountain break down due to the effects of wind and rains. They could also be formed due to the deportation of following lakes. Our rock developed like settling clay land
It is
and
called silt.
glaze
It is called silt. Silt, clay,
filled clay sand our clay
gravel,
and our
gravel,
ice our wind. This happen over very long periods of time. People like to live in the plains. The soil is fertile and good for growing crops. The great northern plains of the India itself almost. Thank you.
almost, and then turn the page. Almost all over North India.
Almost all over North India, the coastline plains extends along the coastline.
Thank you.
The coastal plains extend along the coasts. Okay, very good. Now, Charitra Pratap has also joined. Charitra beta, can you hear me? Charit? As far as I remember, Charitra was the best reader. Last time I made you all read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Charitra, you will read. Okay, he is not replying. Aradhya, it's your turn, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Isthmus. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land that joins two large bodies of land. For example, the Isthmus of Panama that joins North and South America. Deserts. Deserts are large areas of land that receive little or no rainfall. Only a few plants or crops grow here. They are either too hot or too cold. There are two types of deserts: hot deserts and cold deserts. Hot deserts are very hot and dry. They are covered with sand. Strong winds blow the sand, leading to the formation of sand dunes. The Thar Desert in western India is an example of a hot desert. Cold deserts are covered with snow. The soil in cold deserts is always frozen, making it impossible for any vegetarian to grow there. Antarctica is the largest cold desert in the world.
Beta, making it impossible for any vegetarian to grow there. Vegetarian to people hote hain. What is the word? Read again, Aradhya.
And vegetation.
Yes, vegetation.
And vegetation.
Next, who will read? Next, Alak Pratap's turn. Alak, it was your turn. Arsalan, are you there? Arsalan, are you there? My God. Okay, start reading.
Ma'am, from valley.
From islands. Where are
Ma'am,
you?
with
That means,
plateaus.
beta, islands. You're not paying attention, huh? You're not paying attention. Read from
I
islands.
was drawing something.
You were drawing.
Nice.
Very nice. Very nice. This is drawing class.
And Iceland is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. A of cluster of island close to one another form archipelago, the Andaman and an archipelago.
Cluster.
Peninsula.
It is
A
called.
peninsula is a piece of
Not listening only.
A peninsula is a piece of land which has water on three sides. It is connected to a landmass on one side.
Okay, good. Now everybody will stop here and listen to me very carefully. All of you open your cameras. In this chapter, what do we study? We study about different landforms that we see on the earth, right? Earth is not even at all places. How is the earth? It is uneven. Somewhere the land is raised very high. Somewhere the land is raised only till a plateau. Somewhere it is lowland. It is different in different places. Somewhere we see desert areas, while somewhere we see islands and all coastal areas. So how is the earth? Is earth same at all places? No, it is not. It is uneven. The surface of the earth is uneven. Then we see so many oceans. These large water bodies are called oceans. And what are seas? The smaller water bodies. Seas are smaller than oceans. We have different important seas and different important oceans on the earth's surface. Now these oceans, all of you know that 72% or 73% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, right? It is covered with water. Only
Yes, ma'am.
1/4 of the Earth's surface is land, right? We all know that. Now, this land is also different at different places. What are different landforms? Different landforms are mountains, hills, valleys, plains, plateaus, deserts. These are all different landforms. Now, how is a plateau? What is a plateau? What will you tell about
A
plateau?
piece of land.
A plateau is a land that is high. That is a raised land. It is a raised land and it is flat on the top. It looks like a table. It is flat like a table. That is why a plateau is called a tableland. Okay? What is it called? It is called a tableland.
Table land.
A table land.
Then what are deserts? Deserts are large areas. They are, what are deserts, children? They are large
Deserts
areas of land that receive very less rainfall. Or sometimes we
Yes.
don't have any rainfall. In some years, we have no rainfall in desert areas. Now, these deserts
So,
are
ma'am,
also
that's why desert is dry.
Not true.
yes, yes.
Yes,
Now,
they are.
but
This is a very hot area.
we have learned that desert is a dry place. But in this chapter, we also learn a new thing, that there are cold deserts also.
Full.
Now we are going to talk about these deserts tomorrow. The class is about to get over.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll explain you all this tomorrow through different pictures. I'll show you different images. Okay? That's all for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, in my
Yes.
laptop it is written less than 1 minute. In
Yes,
upper
in my
side of
laptop
your
also it's written the same.
less
Bye,
than.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.